Okay guys, this is a 2-bedroom, gorgeous 2-bedroom with breakfast nook, available now. Call 646-717-6067. Ask for Michael Charles and secure this immediately. This apartment has updated appliances, voice intercom for downstairs, a living room and dining room. Yes. Finally live estate style. Living room and separate dining room. Or this could be the living room. I believe the front area is the dining room. Then you follow this pathway of a long maze-like hallway to 2 deep-sized closets. That leads to the first bedroom. There's a lot of natural sunlight coming into this apartment. Nice deep closet. It's a huge bedroom. Nice decorative light fixtures. That leads to the second bedroom. Also a massive bedroom. That leads to the bathroom. Full bath. Again, 646-717-6067. It's also a pantry closet. Give me a call to secure as quickly as possible. Thank you.